If you're thinking about solar installation in Aurora, Colorado, you're probably wondering if it's actually worth the investment. Here's the thing. Solar installation in Arapahoe County, Colorado offers amazing financial benefits. Slash your utility bills, get federal tax credits, and boost your home's value. We're Columbine Roofing and Solar, and we've been helping homeowners with expert residential solar installation. We deliver dependable products and incredible workmanship backed by solid warranties. Here's what makes our area perfect for solar. We get over 300 days of sunshine every year. That's way more than most places, meaning your panels generate serious electricity all year long. Unlike coastal areas dealing with constant clouds, Colorado's weather gives us reliable sunshine. That translates into predictable energy savings with residential solar installation. Solar costs have dropped significantly over the past decade, making it much more affordable. Plus, the federal solar investment tax credit lets you deduct 30% of installation costs from your taxes. Most folks see their systems pay for themselves in about 6 to 8 years through lower electricity bills. You're probably spending $1,200 to $1,800 yearly on electricity, and good solar systems can eliminate 80 to 100% of those costs. Here's a bonus. Homes with solar sell for 3 to 4% more than houses without it. In our housing market, that's an extra $15,000 to $25,000 in value. We handle everything from roof inspection to permits and actual installation. Our certified installers usually finish residential projects in just 1 to 2 days. The best part? Solar panels need hardly any maintenance and keep working great for 25 to 30 years. Colorado's dry climate means panels basically clean themselves. Ready to see how much you could save? Contact Columbine Roofing and Solar for a free solar installation estimate in Aurora, Colorado, and discover how we can help you make the most of your energy.